Welcome back to Amped RC's RC Rock Crawler Advent Calendar. So, if you've watched the videos up to now, you'll have seen us build this RC Rock Crawler. If this is the first video you've watched, please go back and watch all the videos about how we've built this RC Rock Crawler. Obviously, each video is a new part that comes out of the calendar. So today, we are on this one up here. Let's see what comes out. I will admit, it's getting cold in here. I haven't got a heater and my fingers are a little bit painful to get into this. Oh, okay. And we have some batteries. Ooh, gold batteries. So we've got 7, count them, 7 AA batteries. 4 go into the bottom here, just like that. So the other 3 must be for the radio. Right, I'm going to get these in because what else can I do in this video when you get given batteries? Let's have a look. So, battery in there, battery in there, battery in there, battery in there. There we are. And because it runs off AA's, if I was to give this away to someone, they wouldn't have to worry about running it. There's no special chargers, no lipos or anything like that. It's just AA's. Perfect. Right. That's for the radio, which we haven't got yet. I'm assuming tomorrow is probably going to be the cap for this. Turn it on. Nothing. I thought there'd at least be something that happens there, but oh well. Right, thanks for watching. Stay amped. I also forgot as well, Merry Christmas.